Hey guys, welcome. This is how to change email on WhatsApp. So guys, to do this, first thing is just simply open up the WhatsApp application into your device. Now, once you are here guys, to change the email, select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now, here on the pop-up, select settings. Here on the settings, you will just simply go ahead and select account. So go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you will have an option over here, email address. So go ahead and tap on the email address. And now from here, as you can see, in order for you to change the email, select the pencil icon. And after that, just simply change your email directly over here. And now once you have done that, select next. And after that, guys, just simply sign in into your account by simply providing your password, or an email will be sent to you acquiring a code. And after that, once you have done all of that and provided your account and successfully logged in, you should be able to securely verify your email into this account, and you will now have the updated email. There you go. See ya.